Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we'll be taking a look at our 2018 23-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. This is a white boat, has black graphics, white rub rail. She has a black 350 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Some of the options I'll point out: it does have the ski tow. There are 2 rod holders in the transom. Boat comes with the Lenco electric trim tabs. There's your boarding ladder. You walk through transom door. This boat does have the fold down aft seat. Live well. It has the table that folds down off the back of the helm seat. The helm seat also comes down. Creates a aft-facing seat for trolling. Very nice feature. It goes up to 3 positions. Bolster helm seats. At the helm, we have a Raymarine 9-inch hybrid touch GPS, Raymarine VHF, Fusion stereo, tilt helm, and controls. Has a glove box, front windshield. All our metal is powder coated. This particular Outrage has the head plumbed for overboard pump out. Forward seating with the bolster cushions. Rod storage, tow rail in the back, 2 fish boxes, rod holders forward on each side, drink box under the cushion forward, 2 rod holders in each gunnel, and a cooler under the seat. Once again, this is our 2018 23-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. Thank you.